What's up everyone? This is Kira here, and this is probably gonna be the longest video on my channel where I show y'all the top 7 passive income ideas for 2022. You should watch this. It's the best video you can watch in this specific subject. Now before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, though I gotta say this all the time. I'm not a financial advisor. I do stocks, I do real estate, I do crypto, I do all of that for a living. Anyway, for every passive income idea I'm gonna share with you today, I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. I'm gonna give you some details about that passive income idea. So let's just start. At number 1, we got rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn a passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. That's why people quit it easily. If you don't take the time to learn how to make profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then lose your money. To earn passive income from rental properties, you have to and you must to determine 3 things: how much return you want from the investment, 2, the property's total costs and expenses, 3, the financial risks of owning the property. Now let's talk numbers. Let's say examples so I can show y'all how to do it like quickly and go give y'all what you need to do. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 a year in rental cash flow and the property has monthly mortgage of $2,000 and costs another $300 amount, that's for example, from taxes and all that, you would have to charge $3,000 in 133 in monthly rent to reach your goal. This is just a quick example to y'all. Of course it has some risks, and of course every single passive income idea I'm gonna share with you, most of them have some risks. But if you want me to talk about the risk in a video, I'm pretty sure I can make the video in the same day that you comment that you need the risks video for every passive income that I'm gonna talk about today. The same day. I'm quick with this stuff. And without anything else to do, let's go to number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, to do that you have to be like kinda big on social media, but with TikTok and YouTube shorts you don't really have to. You can do it without being big, especially TikTok. Now before I start talking about this affiliate marketing a little bit, I'm gonna tell you something. If you need a video specifically for one passive income idea of the ones that I'm gonna share with you today, you just let me know in the comments and I will make that video quick as, I don't want to say no bad words, quick, so quick. That's all I'm gonna say. So quick. The same day that you comment, I'm gonna make the video. I'm gonna post the video in the same day. I think affiliate marketing is pretty clear. You take the link, the affiliate link that the product owner, the original product owner post on their Amazon or whatever. You take the affiliate link and you post it on social media so you can bring traffic to him, and he will pay you a percentage of what he win from you, of course. At number 3, we got dividend stocks. Since the income from the stocks isn't related to any activity other than the initial financial investment, owning dividend yielding stocks can be one of the most passive forms of making money. The money will simply be deposited to your brokerage account, but the tricky part is choosing the right stocks to invest in. At number 4, we got creating an app. Now, creating an app could be a way to make an upfront investment of the time. Listen, your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard to do functions. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate income off of it, off of ads that are going to be on the app if you choose to, or some in-app purchase that you choose. It's your choice where to get your money from in the app that you created. Now for this one, you gotta work on the marketing, because you definitely need to promote your app so users can see the app and download the app. At number 5, we got rent out your home short term. Now this straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you are not using anyway and turns it into a money making opportunity. If you are going away from your house for a summer, you can rent your house, bro, while you're gone, and it doesn't really need to be your house, your space. I'm just gonna say your space. Now you can list your space on any number of websites such as Airbnb and set the rental terms yourself. And the risks, you don't really have any risks. You don't have a lot of financial downsides here because it's your stuff, you know, it's your space. The only risk is because they are strangers, you know. You don't want to let strangers up your space, you know. But what can you do? I guess that's how this passive income idea work. Rent out your home short term. At number 6, we got advertise on your car. Now this strategy will work perfectly for you if you have a car. If you don't mind it. By the way, I know a lot of y'all are broke and don't even have a car, but with me you are going to make that dream car you always dream about. This strategy, you may be able to earn some extra money by simply driving your car around town. Contact a specialized advertising agency which will evaluate your driving habits, including where you drive and how many miles. Just contact them if you have a car and you're broke. At number 7, which is the last one, create a blog or a YouTube channel. Now YouTube channel is easy and simple. Create a blog is the one that people misunderstood. Blog is like a website. Create your own website that you can generate money from ad revenue, just like YouTube, except on Google you are going to have a lot of traffic, but it doesn't pay the same as YouTube though. Anyway, this was the video. I'm kinda tired. I was working all the day. Anyway, see you in the next video. Take care. Please sub if you haven't already, and leave a like if you haven't already.